Hello and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of enabling the microphone in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Whether you're troubleshooting voice search or enabling permissions for a specific site, this tutorial will walk you through every step. Let's get started. Open the Microsoft Edge mobile app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, go down and select Site Settings. Now tap on Site Permissions from the list of options. Then, tap on Microphone. Finally, toggle the switch to turn the microphone on. Now your microphone is enabled and ready to be used in Microsoft Edge Mobile. That's it for this quick guide. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.